Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix display color on your iPhone. You can see that display color is not looking very good. You can open any app and see that all face looking terrible. If you want to fix this issue, then you have to go to your phone settings, then scroll down, and here you will see accessibility. Just click on it. Then you have to go to display and text size, then scroll down. So you can see that classic invert turn on. So if you want to uncheck it, and now you can see that the display color issue is fixed. Now you can open Facebook and you can see that all are looking pretty good. So in this way you can easily fix your iPhone display color issue. So hope you like this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.